Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting only what enables work: laptop, charger, notes, one timer, and water. Once done, remove distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Close unrelated tabs. Start with a 25 to 50-minute focused block so you have urgency and rhythm. Make a tiny plan. List 3 concrete substeps for the task and pick the first action immediately because momentum beats motivation. This initial push creates progress and reduces decision fatigue, so you can sustain effort into deeper work. You now move into focused execution by splitting the task into micro-tasks of 10 to 20 minutes that you can complete and tick off. This keeps momentum and shows visible progress. Once a micro-task is done, summarize aloud or teach it to an imaginary peer to lock understanding. Use practice problems or quick recall requests to check mastery. Make sure to use a Pomodoro rhythm, 25 minutes on, 5 off, or 50/10 for deeper work, because regular breaks keep concentration sharp and prevent burnout. You finish by allocating 10 to 15 minutes to review content, fix formatting, and run a submission checklist so nothing is missed. Once done, proofread aloud and confirm deadlines to avoid last-minute surprises. If you get stuck, isolate the specific blockage, try 2 quick solutions, simplify the task or switch to a related micro-task, and if those fail, ask a classmate or instructor for 5 minutes of help. Make sure to save versions and note time spent so future sessions are faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.